Hi y'all, welcome to my shop for a quick wood turning tip. I was fixing to spray a couple of recent birdhouse ornaments, and I thought, well, you know, let me take a moment to describe my Lazy Susan for you. So, and some of the features I've got to it. Basically, I've got a couple of removable sticks, you know, with clothespins on, make it easy for me to put this on and off. I've got to put little things there to hang the birdhouses on. I've got a bunch of holes in this thing, so I can take these little bits and pieces and change the position of them. So I can put a small bowl on it, I can spread these out, put a platter on it. I use bandsaw blades to make little V's to put other items on there while they're drying. This thing is just a piece of it's got a base and it's got a small, looks like about a 4-inch Lazy Susan on it. You can buy those fairly inexpensively. So I can spin this thing while I'm spraying it. So I hope that was helpful for you. Y'all stay safe. Come on back here.